Hi guys, and welcome to The Colorful Gardener. My name is Josh, and today we'll be doing an unboxing video from High Country Roses. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing and liking this video. Okay guys, so it is fall time and I have made another purchase from a mail order nursery called High Country Roses. And this mail order nursery specializes in modern and old-fashioned roses. And I have rose fever, I'm admitting it to you guys. This year I thought my perennial or flower choice was going to be grasses, but that slowly turned into roses. So this is the year of the roses for me. I have had some great success from buying from places that have some superb roses. I've been really happy with my orders. And so today I found another mail order nursery I want to share with you guys called High Country Roses. And I've got only about 3 of them or 4 in this box. It's not a very big box, as you can see. So I didn't buy that many roses, and I'm going to show you what I got. So let's go ahead and get into it today. So we've got our forms here, letting us know how to take care of our roses, telling us thank you. Make sure you follow any descriptions that your mail order nursery provides for you. Follow it to the T. They want to make sure your plants do very well in your garden. I have my invoice, and I bought 4 roses. So I got Love Song, Sexy Rexy, ooh, Easy on the Eyes, and Easy Does It. So just 4, and I've done my homework with these roses. As you can see in the box, it's filled with peanuts. I'm not really crazy about peanuts because it just makes a big mess. So excuse me, let me get a trash can and put all these peanuts in. Okay, so I cleared away much of the packing peanuts. And look right there, do you guys see it? A little rose is poking its head out. Oh my goodness. I love seeing roses blooming inside of a box that I've ordered. I mentioned that in the past with Chamblee Rose Nursery. I think it shows the plant is doing really well. They're grown by really great people. So let's go ahead and just take out the first one here. Packing peanuts everywhere. So as you can see, they are wrapped in brown paper, which Chamblee Rose Nursery did the same thing. I do appreciate that. At least with this brown paper, I can recycle it or use it in my own compost. Okay, here we go. So this one is called Easy on the Eyes, and it comes with a bright ID tag with your plant, and they're a little smaller than, it's about the same size as the plants you get from Northland Rosarium, a little smaller than Chamblee. There's a few leaves with some yellowing, but that's okay, they'll fall right off. But I would say at least 95% of this plant is super healthy. Again, this is Easy on the Eyes. In the bottom here, there is some newspaper wrapping around the bottom of the pot, the top of the pot, I'm sorry, to keep that moisture inside. All right, let's go to the next one here, shall we? So this one is Sexy Rexy. And I have noticed this one pop up in my rose search a couple times. This is a Floribunda, and it has beautiful pink flowers. And while it's also noticed it's very floriferous from what I've read online about it. It's always covered in pink blooms, and that's what I'm looking for in my garden. I want a plant that provides me lots of color throughout the year. So we're gonna see how well this plant does in my garden. Hardiness is zone 5, and it's lightly fragrant, reaches to 30 to 36 inches. It's on own root. I forgot to mention that, you guys. All of their plants from their website are on own root, which makes the rose a much healthier plant. So again, this is Sexy Rexy. Lots of green leaves on it. I don't notice a lot of yellowing. There may be 1 or 2, but that's okay. But I see lots of little bud eyes forming on it, ready to pop out new branches. So this one, look at that. That is beautiful. This is Easy Does It. Lots of flowers will be produced by this rose, hopefully. disease resistant, hopefully, in my garden. It's supposed to be. Let's see what it says about it on the back. It is petal counts about 25 to 30. It's a medium to round bush, fragrant, large, colorful clusters of mango, orange, peach, pink, apricot blossoms. Wow. Okay, so it sounds like this has many different colors coming off of this rose, which I'm excited to see how well it does. It was introduced in 2010. Perfect in every climate. We'll find out how perfect it is in my humid, hot summer in the south. But I am very happy with this plant. Super green leaves, lots of little bud eyes forming all over it, so I'm sure they'll be ready to grow in my garden. And if I forgot to mention, if you're looking for more rose information, check out two places. Help Me Find Roses, which is a website that features people's comments and photos so you can see what the rose looks like in someone else's garden. That's what I like to look at. I like to see how it's growing in someone else's garden. I want to see the comments people are making about it, whether or not they liked it. I think that's really a great resource if you're starting roses. It's been super helpful for me making the right choice on what roses I should be growing. Another great place to check out rose information is Rose Chat, and that's a podcast where all they do is they talk about roses. They talk to the growers of roses. They talk to the people that are applying pest management of roses. They're talking to home gardeners that are growing their own roses and what roses are their favorite. And I love listening to that because I get to see what people think about certain roses and whether or not they've done well for them, and listen for new roses that are coming out and hearing the history of the rose and finding out that America has a great tie to the rose. I want to plug that real quick and let you guys know about that. I'll put a link for Help Me Find Rose in the bottom so you can check out that. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and consider subscribing, liking, share it with your gardening friends. Let them know about these unboxing videos so they can pick out some plants for themselves for their own garden next year or start planting in the fall now. Again, my name is Josh and you've been watching The Colorful Gardener. I'll see you guys in the next couple of videos.